Today we're going to be scaling down to meet a teeny tiny friend of the Sonoran Desert. Today's friend is the Tumbling Flower Beetle. The Sonoran Desert is where these tumbling flower beetles call home. You can find them on all different types of plant material, and where you're most likely to find them depends entirely on what stage of life they're in. In the larval stage, these beetles can be found on decaying wood or inside of the living stems of plants, because that's what they like to munch on. Once they move on to adulthood, you're more likely to find them on the flowers because they like to eat pollen in this stage of life. This also makes them a really important pollinator in the area. One of the types of flowers that this beetle likes is known as a composite flower. These look like sunflowers and have a nice sturdy base and structure that can support the body of the tumbling flower beetles. Here you can see a picture of one native to Arizona called firewheel. Another type of flower that you might see these beetles on is what's known as an umbel. These are clusters of a bunch of tiny flowers that all come together at one central stem. Pictured here is a milkweed. Life isn't all flowers for these beetles, though. One of the biggest dangers that these beetles face is predation by birds like this cactus wren. Our tumbling flower beetle friends have a unique way to escape, though. You can see in this picture their big, powerful back legs that they use to kick and tumble down flowers, hence, tumbling flower beetles. Thank you for joining me on this adventure into the life of a tumbling flower beetle, and I hope you stay curious and try to find other pollinators out there in the